How to fix USB connector connected disconnected error on Android. So if you're connecting a USB cable on your Android phone, maybe you're trying to charge your phone or whatever else, but it is just saying you USB connector connected or disconnected. The first thing that you have to do is, depending upon the type of USB connector that you have, you want to try to simply clean those ports over there, as you can see. So you want to make sure to clean your type C or type B, whichever Android phone you have, depending upon that, to try to clean your ports and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, what you want to do is just simply open up settings on your Android phone. And from settings, you want to go to the option called apps. So tap on the apps and tap on it. Then you can go to the option called app management, tap on it. Then just tap this little three dots from the top right hand side you can see here, and select the option called show system. When you show the system applications, now within the search bar, you just want to type in USB settings. So you can find any sort of setting related to USB. You can try to select that and try to clear the data as well. If you don't do that, you can also go there and you can just type in Android system. When you find Android system, just select Android system and try to force stop the app and try to see if that helps you solve the problem as well. You might also want to give your phone a simple restart, because sometimes a simple restart might also help you solve the problem in that case. If that doesn't help, you might also want to try to simply switch the USB cable. So if you have another USB cable, see if that helps you solve the problem. Last but not the least, you simply open settings and try to go to your developer options. To enable developer options, you want to go to settings and go to your about device section and try to go to your version. In the case of my OnePlus phone, I can multiple tap the version number like this to enable developer options. Once I've enabled developer options, I can go to developer options here, look for the option known as USB Debugging, and make sure that I have enabled this setting. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.